Hey guys, Jared Wesley of Live Traders here again. Hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to talk to you guys today about a really important topic that I don't think gets enough traction out there. Not enough people speak about it. And it's called taking your stop losses. Okay, a lot of people think that the trading game, intraday trading, day trading, scalp trading, whatever you want to call it, is gambling. Okay, it couldn't be further from the truth. However, most traders, especially newer traders, they trade like gamblers, okay? Successful traders don't gamble. They have specific rules and a system that they follow to make money. It's like being the house in Vegas versus being a customer in Vegas. If you're the house in Vegas, you're making money all the time. If you're a customer in Vegas, flip a coin, right? So one of the parts of making sure that you make money and that you don't blow up your account, and I gotta be honest with you guys, blowing up a trading account is not a badge of honor, okay? There is nothing cool about blowing up a trading account. I see a lot of people talk about, when I started my trading career, I blew up 3 different trading accounts. There's nothing cool about that. There's nothing cool about taking $800,000 or $900,000 down to $1,000. That's not cool. That's just stupid. Okay, so I'm here to teach you guys and help you learn ways to not have that happen to you, not let that happen to you, okay? So I wanted to take a minute and talk about CL today, okay? So first and foremost, guys, if I go to the daily chart here on CL, we have a breakdown under this $66 area. So the stock gaps down a little bit and then breaks below the $66 mark. So I thought, okay, this is an interesting idea. Perhaps we can get a good entry and make some money on the CL today. All right, well, let's go to the 1-minute chart, okay? Go all the way back to the beginning of the day where I called this, okay? And I want you to take a look at this. So this is what we call a 3-bar play here at Live Traders, okay? A 3-bar play is simply a wide bar followed by a narrow bar and then a move lower. So you can see right here, guys, right around the 65.20 mark, okay? $65.20 to $65 is where I called this trade, okay? And you can see that there on the screen right over here where I called this thing. You can even see my sell short $65 on this, okay? Now, there's nothing wrong with that. We used a 40-cent stop loss up in that range, so we got in right around here, okay? Our stop loss was up here, nothing wrong with that, everything's good. It initially triggers and drops about 15 to 20 cents, okay? So far, so good, all right? But then what happens? Take a look. This stock then goes green bar, green bar, green bar, and take a look at that green bar. It went up to 65.63 and continued on up to 66.20, okay? And ultimately went even higher than that. Take a look at this, guys. I'm pulling this on, pulling this. Whoa, look at, 67 bucks. So if our stop loss was 65.40 and our entry was 65, we had a 40-cent stop loss. We're risking 40 cents on this thing, okay? My goal on this trade, guys, was to leg in very small amount and then add as it went lower. My goal was to eventually get about 2,000 shares of CL. As you'll notice, I only started with 350 and I was looking to get 600, 700, 800, then eventually 2,000 if it continued lower. Why? Because there's no floor on this stock. It could have dropped $5 for all I knew, all right? But what happened when it came back against us? I stopped out, okay? So I lowered my stop down, all right, to the whole number here, 65.0203. I took slippage, and there's my fill, 65.08133, all right? Now, if you didn't lower your stop loss would have been roughly 65.50 or 65.40, which is where we had it, okay? What happens when it goes above that area? You get out. You get out. You move on from the stock. Now, if it sets up another opportunity to short it later, then short it later. By all means, short it later, okay? But it didn't. It just kept going higher and higher and higher and higher. And you'll notice I lost $28.47 on this stock. I can live with that. I was going to risk about $500 to $800 in this, and I ended up losing $28. Not a bad thing. But here's the problem. This is what I see way too many traders doing, okay? They're not taking their stop losses. They're going, oh, it'll come back down, right? See it, bounces up way past your stop, then starts to pull, and they think, oh, it's going to come back down, and I'll just get back out at break even. And then what happens when it never comes back in? CL, guys, $67. It peaked. I mean, this thing's 67 bucks. Think about that for a second. That's $1.60, $1.70 past your stop loss. So if you're risking 40 cents from $65, that's $2.20, right? $2.10. You could have lost 5 to 1 on that trade, right? If you're risking $800, you could have lost $4,000 on this trade. Guys, the intention of CL was to be a 1-minute scalp trade where we might stay in it for 15 or 20 minutes, okay? And if it went against us, we would get out. Our goal on CL was not to be a long-term investor. That was never the expectation. The expectation by entering on a 1-minute chart was to have a fairly quick scalp trade. So why then? Why would you let it go against you past 65.40? If it goes past that area, you tip your cap to the market and say, hey, too good. Market got us. Market beat us. Too good. There's no shame in that. That's actually professional trading, okay? When you start not taking your stop losses, you start to become a long-term investor. Then you start drinking the Kool-Aid, and now you're in hope mode. You're drinking the hopium, okay? You never want to be in hope mode, guys. Every single trade you take should have an entry, a stop loss, and a target area. If it doesn't, you're not a trader, you're a gambler, okay? We don't gamble at Live Traders, we trade at Live Traders. So yes, I lost money on this trade on CL, $28, but I made good money elsewhere in the market today. Baidu, we took an early morning scalp on Baidu, okay? We took ALV lower today as well. Why? It's a systematic approach to making money in the markets. I hope you guys enjoyed that lesson on stop losses. I do these videos from time to time. I try to give you guys educational value. Okay, that's what we do here at Live Traders. Okay, I have an open house coming up Tuesday, May 8th. Tuesday, May 8th. Guys, I haven't had one of these since last year. I don't do them very often. My time is very precious and very valuable, but I get so many emails from people, so many private messages on Instagram, on Facebook. Hey, can you show me how to trade? Can you teach me how to trade? So I'm opening up my chat room, all right, from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Tuesday, May 8th. I will be trading live for you, for everybody in the whole world to see, just like I give you guys these videos. Be there on Tuesday, May 8th. You can also check us out at livetraders.com. Check us out on Facebook. Check us out on Twitter, on Instagram, etc., and so forth, okay? Click the link in the description to get more information and sign up Tuesday, May 8th. Click the link in the description. Have a good one, guys. Jared.